Are you tired of losing viewers midway through your YouTube shorts? Well, in this video, I'm gonna share with you 5 proven tips you could use right now to boost your audience retention and get more views. My name is Rakeem Madison. Let's get into the content. All right, so what we're gonna do in this video is I'm gonna break down one of my YouTube shorts and I'm gonna go line by line. So as I'm going through line by line, I'm gonna be sharing with you those tips. And if you stick with me all the way through the rest of the video, I'm gonna share with you a bonus tip that you can also start implementing on your YouTube shorts. All right, let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so first things first, I'm gonna go over here to my Google Doc. I went ahead and created something where I literally got my script and then I got, the tips to, share with you. All right, so tip number 1 is you need to call out your target audience in their specific issues. Okay, so this right here is the beginning of my YouTube short. I said, so if you're doing any marketing on YouTube, you got links in your description or anything like that. So I'm speaking to the person, right? So anybody who got links in their description on YouTube, they're doing any marketing, I got their attention immediately, right? That was my goal. All right, now another thing, number 2. Command attention. So I got their attention by calling them out, but now I got to command their attention and keep it going. So what did I say? I said, you might want to listen up because what I'm about to tell you, and let's start right here. You might want to listen up because what I'm about to tell you, because the tone played a role in that as well, right? So if I would have said it like in a joking manner, they might not want to listen, but I said it in a serious manner. So when you actually get the time to watch the video, I'll put it down below so you can actually go throughout it yourself and you can see what I'm talking about. But you really want to grab the attention, command the attention even more so that they can keep watching. All right. All right. Number 3, create questions in their mind that compel them to watch longer. So you can see right here, 10 seconds in, I said, so basically what happened is YouTube released a new policy. And right off the bat, that creates a question in their mind. They're like, oh, they released a new policy? That's the first question. As I keep going, it says, and you probably missed that policy. So now 2 more questions come up. Where can I find this policy? And what is this policy all about, right? So it created questions in their mind, right? All right, so now we're gonna go to 14 seconds in. I said, but basically what it says is in order to use an external link to send anybody anywhere in your description, you gotta first verify your channel and have advanced features. Boom, we just created even more questions. Because now it's like, okay, well, how do I verify my channel? First off, what are advanced features and how do I get advanced features, right? So now they're like, all right, man, I need to figure out what this is, right? So they're still watching it and they kind of just on the brinks like, man, what is it? What is it? What is it? And that's what you want to create, as you creating your YouTube shorts. All right, so now the number 4 is let them know it's a solution. So at 24-second mark, I said, so here's how you fix it. So at this point, they know that it's a solution. And so now they're really ready. They're like, oh, he about to give it to me. He about to give it to me, or she about to give it to me. And then now when we go to number 5, this is where you actually take or walk them through the actual steps. So I'm not going to read all of this, but you can see it says, so what you need to do is you need to go inside the YouTube studio, click on the settings tab, and then I'm actually taking them through the process. Now let's actually go into the studio and we're going to watch the video just so you can see everything that I just broke down. So if you're doing any marketing on YouTube, you got links in your description or anything like that, you might want to listen up because what I'm about to tell you, it might already be costing you money. So basically what happened is YouTube released a new policy and you probably missed that policy, but basically what it says is in order to use an external link to send anybody anywhere in your description. Okay, let's pause. So you can see right here, right? It was at 124%. Then it got right here, we're still over 100. Then it starts to drop into the 90s. Now you can see it's starting to get another rise, right? It's coming back up right along, somewhere in between here. And this was right around the time that I said, so here's how you fix it. So now we got their attention, just like I was saying, right? Now, another thing that I didn't point out at the beginning, notice that I got the text in red, right? So I got it in red because I know naturally when a person thinks about the color red, they think about a stop sign or they think about a stoplight, right? So my goal is to get your attention. And once I get your attention, the next thing is I'm putting it in a serious tone. So now I got your attention even more, kind of like what I was talking about with the tone earlier. All right. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here to incognito incognito browser because I want to show you something else that I believe that, you know, really led to it getting even more views besides everything that I just broke down to you. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna type in YouTube description link not, and you see how it pops up, right? So this is actually something that people are searching right now. And if I click on that, let's go ahead and click on that. You can see right here, my short is ranking #1. So not only is it, you know, #1 for shorts, it's also #1 outranking my video right here, which has 13,000 views. And then you can see right here, what I did is I said, okay, well, this worked with the regular video. Now let me put something else, but it's not the exact same thing. In this video, I showed people how they need to put the links in there. And then YouTube came out with the policy, and then I was like, oh, this is perfect. Then I can come back here and create this. And then that's what I did. And you can see this one has almost 6,000 views. So a lot of times what you could do, and I know this may not be like really on topic of what we talking about here, but anytime that you get something that works, find a way to replicate that. Don't make the exact same video, but find a way to replicate it and add some additional things in. Hopefully you got some value from this video, and if you did, definitely go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, if you want to learn how I got my YouTube short to rank up at the top like that, go ahead and watch this video next because it's going to show you exactly how I did it. See you over there.